Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description.
What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial, and I apologize that I did not upload a video yesterday because I was so busy planning this video, because this video actually takes some work. So in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fight with your clones. If you are excited for that, make sure to smash the like button down below. And I also want to give a shout out to someone, and that person is called on YouTube KYxWarMonkey. He purchased a pro membership that you guys also can get in the description down below. If you want to get your shout out in my next video, make sure to check out the link below, and I would say let's fight with our clone. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, are you okay? Oh, dude. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this in Vegas Pro 15. So I would say let's get started, and I will catch you guys right after the intro.
Okay guys, so now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, I'm gonna go through it real slow because this actually is quite advanced. So what you want to do is you want to do everything in one take. You don't want to just go ahead and hit record, play the right guy, stop record, and then play the left guy. You want to all do it in one take. So once you've done that, you want to just cut it up a little bit. As you can see, I just cut it up a bit where I punch right here. So what we're gonna do is, in order to make this look realistic, is we're gonna create a new video track. Then we're gonna place this guy on top of it. We're gonna put this audio track underneath it, and we're going to time it.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
And you want to do that right when I punch. As you can see, like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the event pen crop of the left guy, which is this one, and we're gonna mask this guy out a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this box right here. It says mask, and we're going to pick the rectangle tool, and we're gonna select everything and mask this guy out. But as you can see, there's like this little line appearing. So we're gonna go back to the event pen crop, and we're gonna make this little small line disappear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the feather type. We're gonna put that one to both, and you can see the feather percent. We wanna click on there, and you wanna mess with this marker until the line disappears like that. As you can see, this looks really, really nice. And if I play it back, as you can see, my arm kind of fades right here when I hit myself or hit my clone, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mask our arm. So we're gonna just copy this clip, and then we're gonna put that guy over it. Put it right here, paste it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the event pen crop right here, and we're going to mask out our arm, and we're gonna do that real closely so it will look more accurately. Okay, so as you can see, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that sync cursor is checked at the bottom. Then we're gonna click on mask, and then we are going to pick the anchor creation tool, which is this one, and we're gonna just mask around ourselves, but most importantly is around our arm, very nice and accurately like that. So we're gonna do it like this at first, make sure that we will just have everything nice and masked out. Then we're gonna go to the bottom and just hit this one and connect it, as you can see, like that. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset the mask, go a few frames further, and then mask out our arm again. As you can see, like that. That is looking very nice, like this. Connect this guy as well, and we're gonna just keep masking out our arm. I'm gonna put some music underneath it because this can take a while, so you guys will know how to do it.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what it looks like so far. So that looks really amazing. So what you want to do is you want to just render this out, and I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna just select it all, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and do it like that, and then we're gonna just render it out, and then I'll come back to it in a second. Okay, so now that we have rendered it out, we're gonna delete everything in our timeline, or you can just save it, and we're gonna drag in the file that we just rendered out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the file that we just rendered out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some nice color correction preset. That is basically the LUT filter, which is going to be this one. I'm gonna drag the default one on top of the video clip. We're going to click on Browse, and we're gonna pick FLX Cinematic LUT 3.cube. So if I go ahead and apply it, as you can see, this is how you guys have saw it in the intro. So this is basically the end result.
3, 2, 1. Oh shit, are you okay? Oh, dude.
So guys, this is how to fight with your clone, or how to punch your clone. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know how to actually clone yourself at first, from the first place, before you're gonna actually start, fighting with your clone, here's a little preview of it right now. So first of all, you want to do is you want to drag in the files that you have acted. So let's do that, which is this one. And basically what you're gonna see now is I'm just gonna cut everything, like when I'm sitting in my chair and when I'm in the corner of the room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look everything. So basically I'm just gonna cut from where it starts. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's see what we have. Let's see. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'm gonna start a video. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna start the Sony Vegas tutorial and that I get interrupted. So let's, edit that. I'm gonna put on my headset for a second. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm just gonna click on this one. What's happening, guys? My name is Alex, and dude, I'm recording. Why are you coming in? I was recording, dude. I was just recording a Sony Vegas tutorial. Why are you coming and bothering me? Okay, so this is the part where we as you can see, where I come in, as you can see.
What's up, dude?
So I'm just gonna edit this, and I'll just go out again. Close the door. Then I'm gonna, press S, and basically, this is the part where we need to mask myself. So this is the part where I come in, and let's bring up the part where I sit in my chair. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the first part, this one. What's happening, guys? My name is Alex, and that's where I'm gonna come in. Dude, I'm recording. No, I'm recording a video for YouTube. I'm recording Sony Vegas. I'm just acting that I'm talking to the clone. So actually the first thing you want to do is you want to also have the sound as well. So I'm just gonna put the sound on a separate video track over each other. Then I'm gonna create a new video track. Let's all put this on to the beginning like this. But you want to put this one over the first one, because you want to mask yourself out. So the first thing is you want to click on this icon. Well, first of all, I'm gonna add a nice little color correction. Boom, like this. It's a nice template. So that looks pretty good actually. So the first thing you want to do is, as you guys can see where I'm in the door, you want to cut halfway of the screen so that only the left side is visible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this icon, this one of the track, what we're in the left. Then you want to click on mask like this, and then you want to basically click on the anchor creation tool, and then you want to actually mask around the door when you're coming in. So I'm gonna do that right now, like this, and maybe like this and this, and to over here. So as you guys can see, we have myself in the screen. It's not completely like how it's supposed to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back a second. So if you want to see that video first in order to know how to clone yourself before you're gonna start on this one, make sure to check out the link in the description, and also make sure to check out the pro memberships on productioncrate.com. Link is also in the description. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a brand new video tomorrow.